Why is Donald Trump meeting Xi Jinping? What are US and China cooking together and how can it impact India? In today's editorial, we're going to talk about it. So come, let's have a look. The Xi-Trump summit, shadow boxing on Iran. Now, this new article talks about a possible meeting between US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping. On the surface, it may look like a simple diplomatic visit, but the real issue in the background is much bigger. Iran and the rising tensions in West Asia. Now, what exactly is happening? The US and Iran have had a long history of rivalry. Recently, tensions increased because of concerns around the Iran's nuclear program. Now, regional influence and also control over important oil routes such as the Strait of Hormuz. And this conflict grows if it can disturb global oil supply and can increase fuel prices worldwide. Now, here's where China enters in the picture. China buys a huge amount of oil from Iran, and China has strong trade and strategic ties with Iran. So, if the US wants pressure on Iran to work, China's cooperation becomes very important. And this is why Trump's possible China visit is not just about US-China relations, it is also about finding ways to manage the Iran issue. Now, the background is that the situation reminds experts of the 1972 US-China summit when US President Richard Nixon visited China. Why was that important? At the time, the US and China were rivals, but they improved relations for strategic regions during the Cold War era. Now, this article has multiple dimensions. The first dimension is the geopolitical dimension. US wants to limit Iran's regional influence. China wants stable energy supply and stronger presence in West Asia. Iran uses China as an economic and diplomatic partner. Then there is an economic dimension. Iran is a major oil producer. Any instability can increase crude oil prices. Higher oil prices hurt import-dependent countries, especially like India. Then third is the strategic dimension. Now, Strait of Hormuz is a critical choke point. We all know that. And around a significant share of global oil trade passes through it. Conflict here affects global shipping and energy security. Lastly, there's a diplomatic dimension. So, summit diplomacy can reduce tensions, shows importance of dialogue even between rivals. Now, India's relevance. India is directly affected because India imports a large share of crude oil. West Asia hosts a large Indian diaspora. Regional instability can affect oil prices, inflation, remittances, maritime security. India therefore follows a balanced policy, good ties with US, good ties with Iran, and growing engagement with China despite the tension. So this becomes highly important for GS Paper 2 International Relations and GS Paper 3 Economy and Security Perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.